Hello guys, I'm starting a vlog because why not? I'm with Kyle and Alyssa.
Hello.
Hi.
You know who Kyle is. Alyssa's in some vlogs only when I like her.
Oh.
I'm just kidding, I love her. But I went to vlog, it's Sunday at like 4:45.
It's exactly 4:45.
Well, I went to vlog this week because Playlist Live is next, well like this weekend, but next weekend.
I'm so excited.
I know, well they're both going, I almost said Alyssa's going, but Alyssa's going with me and Kyle's just going with his mom.
Oh my gosh, I sound like such a loner.
But
my mom's the best.
His mom is the best. But I have a lot to do for this week and
prepare
stuff.
for this week.
Yeah, I have a lot of things to do, so I thought it'd be an interesting vlog. I'll probably never upload this, but
me with all my vlogs.
But editing me is looking forward to editing this and not uploading it. But maybe you'll see it. I don't know. But yeah, we're waiting for Blake. Where's Nandi? She lives in this neighborhood.
Yeah,
She's
Nandi's
laying
asleep.
in her bed.
That's just classic Nandi though. Like that's.
Yep.
We're gonna do a mukbang. Is that what it's called?
Mukbang.
We're gonna do it.
Bang.
We're gonna do a mukbang challenge or something.
Not even a challenge.
Okay, well, the same thing that Tana Mojo and James Charles and Jeffree Star did. Theirs was funny. You should go watch it. I won't link it down below because I am too lazy to do that. But you can go watch it, and that's just what we're doing. And we're going to Taco Bell. Kyle's never had Taco Bell, but I'm gonna order what I want.
It's the greatest thing ever.
Okay, goodbye, everybody.
In the neighborhood.
It's 5 o'clock, and Blake's still not here.
Blake is. Oh, she's pulling up right now. Nandi, don't you? Oh my god.
Ooh.
Oh.
Nandi's almost having 800 million accidents currently.
Who gave
She's
Nandi a
really
license?
about to hit a hole nail. No.
Who gave Nandi
Do we see
a
this?
license?
Oh my god. Why is Blake taking up the entire road? Oh my god.
Oh my.
Nandi came so close to hitting her. Holy
Bruh.
crap. Well, in all fairness, Blake has taken the.
Why are you videoing me?
Homegirl Nandi.
Boy, even just for a day, I'd roll out of bed in the. So we just finished filming the first video. We filmed us singing with
Headphones, and we got 50 minutes of footage.
No, yeah, have fun with that. And both of these videos are for Kyle's channel, by the way. Neither one of them are going on my channel.
You're welcome to film one with us if you want.
That's okay.
She said no.
So now Kyle's gonna try not to crash into Alyssa's car.
This really isn't good.
And I'm gonna put down this camera in a
I'm
sec
gonna pull up
because,
a lot
well, my
more
phone in a
first.
sec because I don't want to vlog while we're driving. But
Okay,
we're going
let's
to
let Blake get in the car. This is
we're
gonna
going
be
to
a
Taco Bell to pick up food, and we're gonna come back and
This side.
film
This
a
side.
mukbang challenge.
Get in the car.
Okay.
Run her over.
All right, we're gonna go now. See you in a bit. It's a little bit later, literally a lot later. I have my retainer in. I'm beautiful. Okay, well, so you like the hole in my wall? Yeah. Wow, we love not having a vlog camera and having to use my phone. Anyways, I went to PacSun, as I told you I was, and I figured I'd show you what I got. So I got most of this stuff for Playlist Live this weekend. I'm also gonna wear it, I can't speak, but I'm also gonna wear it at Playlist. No, that's what I just said. I'm also gonna wear it just like this summer for VidCon, stuff like that, so yeah. So the first thing that I got was this. I don't know if I'll ever wear it in my life, but I don't know, it's cute, right? It's a size medium, didn't even know that. I meant to get a small, oops. But it was on the Blue Dot sale, so buy one, get two free. And it ties in the front, and it's just cute. I don't know if I'll ever wear it in my life, but I had to get one other thing for the Blue Dot sale to get something for free, so I got it. Then I got these shorts, and they look like this. They're in a size 26, and they were $39.90. I need new shorts. I was severely running low. Then I got this, which of course was not on the Blue Dot sale. It's a Brandy Melville tank because I only shop at Brandy Melville and PacSun clearly. And it's the basic one that everybody has. Yeah, okay. Then I got another pair of shorts, which are 26 as well, but somehow look like a 23 when I put them on, but still got them because, you know, they were free with this sale. So that's everything I got. I thought I got more, but no, I'm just broke. What else did I do today? You saw that I filmed that video with Kyle. Oh, I got this. I got this like a month ago, but it's sitting right here. Might as well show you. It's cute. Probably never will wear it. We love wasting money. What did I do? Like, I literally didn't do anything. I watched a lot of YouTube videos. Also, I just really quickly wanted to say that I went to the beach with my friend Randy yesterday, and I was planning on making like a separate vlog of just that, but I didn't get enough footage, so I'm just gonna insert that right here. Yeah. Hi guys. Oh, that was weird. It is Saturday, April 21st, and it is 10:42 a.m. and I'm currently driving to the beach to go to the beach with one of my best friends, Randy. I don't know if you guys have met her, but I met her at a Taylor Swift concert. The Taylor Swift 1989 concert in 2015. What was it, that long ago? Yeah, almost 3 years ago. And we just met, like, it's not like we were even internet friends beforehand. We had just like both been dressed up. I was there with my best friend Alyssa, and she was there with her best friend Emily. And so they came up to us. We were both wearing costumes. They were like, hey, can we get a picture together? So we got a picture together, and we've literally never lost contact. She lives like 45 minutes to an hour from me. Alright, I'm gonna stop vlogging because the light just turned green, but hold on. Okay, the light's red again. But basically, she asked me today to go to the beach. So I'm meeting her at the beach. It was a far drive. Okay, this blinker is really annoying, but I have to keep it on. It was a far drive for me, but I don't care. I miss her. So we are gonna make out. No, that's not what we're gonna do. We're gonna hang out. And the weather is a little bit nasty right now, so we might just end up going to get food or something. But she's never been in a video, so I wanted to vlog, and it would also, I thought it would be a fun vlog. So she has a Jeep too. I have a black Jeep, she has a white Jeep, so like we're basically adorable. Oh, I got some before I got on the turnpike. I got some Dunkin', but I haven't eaten it yet because I don't want to eat and drive. That's what's up. I'm using my phone right now because I sold my vlog camera because I'm getting a new vlog camera next week. So I sold my old vlog camera, so I'm just using my phone to vlog right now. I don't know if it's good. I don't know. Okay, that's bright. People don't know how to drive at all. I was like getting off the turnpike and I was supposed to get off at this one exit, but the exit that I was supposed to get, okay, the light's green. Vlog! Is this gonna be the vlog?
Guys, welcome to the beach. It's really sunny out because we live in the Sunshine State. I'm out here taking pictures of dogs. I didn't ask, we just started taking pictures of them. Next week?
Yeah, for playlist.
When's playlist?
Next weekend.
No, it's not. Are you serious?
Yes.
Okay, well, decide. Emma doesn't have a vlog camera. She's lying to all of you. She's on her phone.
Come on.
She stole my phone case and everything.
Apparently Randy doesn't know how to swim. Guys, Randy got me a bracelet for my birthday. Tell them what it means. Or what it is. It's coordinates. Okay, wait, don't come and find me. Okay.
It's the coordinates to American Airlines Arena.
And what happened there?
It's where I met someone. Ariana Grande.
Oh.
I mean Emma.
Thanks, Randy.
You're welcome.
Now we're going to the mall. I literally hate vlogging with people because I'm so awkward. Okay. Yeah. Yeah.
Is this gonna be the vlog?
Yes.
Oh.
That's why it's videoing. We're going to Urban Outfitters and LF because even though I can't buy anything there. Okay, then let's find the pee room.